Hello students, in this video I am going to explain about addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. How to add the expressions as well as how to subtract them. So it is very easy here. You have to add only like terms here 3x plus 4x. So our answer will be how much? It will be 7x. Okay, next 8xy plus 4xy plus 2xy. So here the variable is xy and the numerical you have to add them. 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14. So our answer will be 14xy. And subtraction, that will be 7n minus 4n. So in 7n minus 4n here we will get 3n. So direct method I am telling here. So 11ab minus 5ab. So here we will get 6ab. Then what about 3x plus 2y? Is it possible to add? So no, we can't add them like 3 plus 2 as 5. So we have to keep like that only, because here 3x and 2y, x and y, these are unlike terms, so we can't add them. So just you have to keep like that only, 3x plus 2y only. Okay, so same thing in the subtraction also. If I take 4x minus y, so here also we can't subtract. 4x is and y both are unlike terms, so that's why we can't subtract them. So again you have to keep like that only, 4x minus y. Okay, so whenever unlike terms are there, we can't add as well as we can't subtract, but we can add when like terms are there, and similarly we can subtract when there will be like terms. Go through your textbook examples. Here one I will explain. First, collect the like terms and simplify the expression. First, 12m square minus 9m plus 5m plus 4m square. So here minus 4m square minus 7m plus 10. Okay, first you write the like terms. Which are those? 12m square, 4m square. So here minus is there, so keep minus, same thing. 12m square minus 4m square. Next 5m. Okay, next minus 9m. So always write the plus first, afterwards minus, means positive numbers first, negative numbers next, and at the end minus 5m and plus 10. Okay, 12m square minus 4m square. So m square keep aside and 12 minus 4, that will be 8m square. And here 5 9 7. Okay, keep m aside and 5 minus 9 minus 7. Okay, so 5 minus 9, it will be minus 4, minus 4 minus 7, it will be minus 4 minus 7, again we will get here minus 11. So into m, and here 10 is there, keep like that only. So plus into minus, minus. So 8m square minus 11m plus 10 is your answer. Okay, so like that you have to solve the example number 5 as well as example number 6. Now directly going to the exercise 12.2. In first main, totally 6 are there. Out of 6 I will do 3. So first one, 12b minus 32 plus 7b minus 20b. Okay, let's simplify this one. So first write the like terms. 12b is there. So sorry, 21b is there. Write 21b. Next plus 7b at the end minus 20b, and keep that minus 32 at last. Okay, 21b plus 7b, it will be 28b minus 20b minus 32. Okay, 28b minus 20b, here we will get 8b, and what left? Minus 32. Okay, so here 8b and 32 both are unlike terms, so we can't subtract. So here only you end the answer. So second one for your practice, third one I will solve here. Okay, p minus of p minus q minus q minus q minus p. Okay, first open the bracket. P minus into plus, it will be minus p, minus into minus plus q minus q, again here minus into q minus q, minus into minus plus, that will be plus p. Okay, so see here, p minus p 0 get cancelled, q minus q get cancelled. What left? Minus q plus p. So always write the positive first. So it will be p, next negative, that will be minus q. So p minus q is our answer. Now fourth one, 3a minus 2b minus ab minus of, here bracket they given, a minus b plus ab. Okay, so open this bracket first and afterwards rearrange the like terms. So here 3a minus, okay, 2b minus ab, minus into a minus a, minus into minus plus b, okay, minus into plus, that will be minus ab plus 3ab plus b minus a. Okay, write the like terms. Here 3a is there, so I will write here 3a. Next minus, okay, so here minus a and again minus a. Now b, minus 2b plus b and again plus b. Okay, and next minus ab, again minus ab and plus 3ab. Okay, so now 3a minus a, 2a. Okay, 2a, again a is there. Next minus 2b plus plus, it will be plus 2b, and minus ab minus ab, it will be minus 2ab plus 3ab. See here 2a minus a, it will be a, and here minus 2 plus 2, so minus 2b plus 2b get cancelled, so it will be 0, and 3ab minus 2ab, it will be plus ab. In 3ab, if you minus 2ab, here we will get only ab. So our final answer will be a plus ab. Next, fifth and sixth for your practice. Now second main. So here out of 10 I will solve 5 and 5 for your practice. The first one, add 3mn minus 5mn, 8mn minus 4mn. Okay, so you have to add these all 4 terms. So write them in the addition form. 3mn plus of minus 5mn plus 8mn, again plus of minus 4mn. Okay, so 3mn plus into minus minus 5mn plus 8mn plus into minus minus 4mn. Okay, so like terms means positive terms you write first. 3mn plus 8mn minus 5mn minus 4mn. Okay, so 3 plus 8, it will be 11mn minus 5mn minus 4mn. Okay, so 11 minus 5, it will be 6mn, at last minus 4mn. 6mn minus 4mn, again here we will get 2mn. Okay, so at the end we got the answer 2mn. Now second question, here given the combination of the terms t minus 8tz, 3tz minus z and z minus t. Okay, so first you write in the form of addition. T plus minus 8tz plus 3tz, so plus into minus directly minus z, again plus z minus t. Okay, see here t minus t get cancelled, t minus t you will get 0, and minus z plus z, they are also opposite sign with same term, so they will also get cancelled. what left? Minus 8tz plus 3tz. Okay, so keep that tz outside, what left? Minus 8 plus 3. Okay, so minus 8 plus 3, what you will get? That will be minus 5, and at the end tz is there. So our answer will be minus 5tz is final answer. Third one, minus 7mn plus 5, 12mn plus 2, 9mn minus 8, minus 12mn minus 3. Okay, so first you write in the form of addition, minus 7mn plus 5 plus 12mn plus 2 plus 9mn. Okay, so plus into minus, minus only 8, and again plus into minus, minus 2mn minus 3. Okay, so why I took here minus? So if I write here plus, plus into minus, again we will get the minus only. That's why directly I written here minus. Okay, write the like terms. Here positive terms you write the first. Which are those? Here 12mn plus 9mn minus 7mn minus 2mn. Okay, what left? Plus 5 plus 2 minus 8 minus 3. Okay, so 12 plus 9, it will be 21mn minus, see here 7mn minus 2mn, it will be minus 9mn plus 5 plus 2, 7, minus 8 minus 3, it will be minus 11. Okay, so 21mn minus 9mn, it will be how much? 12. So 21 is there, here 9 is there. So if you subtract, so here we will get 12mn plus minus, so here we have to make here minus 11 minus 7, it will be 4. Which 4? Minus 4. So our answer will be 12mn minus 4. So now fourth one, a plus b minus 3, b minus a plus 3, a minus b plus 3. Okay, add them. A plus b minus 3 plus, directly I will write b minus a plus 3 plus a minus b plus 3. Okay, see here a minus a, okay, get cancelled. A minus a 0, so what left? Only one a left, so I'll write here a. Next plus b plus b, it will be 2b, and here minus b, so in that plus b minus b get cancelled. Okay, minus 0, so what left here? It will be plus b. And next minus 3 plus 3, these also get cancelled. What left? Again plus 3 left. Okay, so our answer is a plus b plus 3. Now fifth one, 14x plus 10y minus 12xy minus 13. Okay, 4 terms are there. Again 18 minus 7x minus 10y plus 8xy. Again 4 terms are there, and last 4xy is there. So first I'll write in the form of addition. Okay, so like this you will get here. Okay, 1 2 3, so 4, after 4 terms here I added. Next again 1 2 3 4, again here I used plus. Okay, so now rearrange them as like terms. 4x is there, so I'll write here, 14x is there, I'll write here 14x. So next minus 7x and one more, no. Okay, next y terms means 10y plus 10y minus 10y. Okay, any more like terms? No. Next minus 12xy and plus 8xy plus 4xy. Okay, xy terms over. Now constant terms, minus 13 and any more terms, plus 18. Okay, minus 13 plus 18. Okay, so now 14x minus 7x, here directly we will get 7x, plus 10y minus 10y get cancelled, 0. Next here minus 12xy plus 8y. So do one thing, first you write the negative 12xy and positive 8xy plus 4xy, it gets plus 12xy. And here minus 13 plus 18, okay, minus plus, we have to make here subtraction, 18 minus 13, it will be 5. Which 5? Plus 5, because 18 having the plus bigger sign. Okay, now minus 12xy plus 12xy get cancelled because those are 0. What left? 7x plus 5. So this is our final answer. Okay, other 5 problems for your practice. Now in the third main, totally about the subtraction. Okay, so out of 8 I will solve here 4 and 4 for your practice. First one, minus 5y square from y square. Okay, so first you write the from, that is y square, minus of minus 5y square. See here you doing the subtraction, so write the negative numbers in bracket. Okay, so y square minus into minus, see bracket means multiplication, so here minus into minus it becomes plus, plus 5y square. Okay, y square plus 5y square, it will be 6y square. Okay, so our answer is 6y square. Next, 6xy from minus 12xy. Okay, first you write the minus 12xy, subtraction minus 6xy. Okay, so here same sign is there, so you will get again minus only. So if there is same sign, you have to add the numbers and put the same sign. So 12 plus 6, it will be 18 and xy. So our answer will be minus 18xy. Third one, AB from A plus B. Okay, so A plus B minus of A minus B. Okay, so A plus B minus into A, minus into minus B, it will be plus B. Okay, A minus A get cancelled, so what left? Plus B plus B, so it will be 2B. Okay, so next, fourth one, A of B minus 5 from B of 5 minus 5, A. Okay, so B of 5 minus A minus A of B minus 5. Okay, first you open this bracket, B into 5, 5B, minus B into A, that is AB, minus A into B, that is also AB, minus into minus plus, minus A into 5, 5A. Okay, so now like terms, which are those? Minus AB, minus AB. Okay, so here plus A, 5B also plus B. So here directly I will write 5A plus 5B minus AB minus AB, it will be minus 2AB. Okay, our final answer will be 5A plus 5B minus 2AB. Understood? So whenever they given in bracket, first you simplify that bracket, afterwards do the subtraction as well as additions. The fourth main, first one, what should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? See here we don't know the what exactly they adding, so we have to find that one. If we add to the given term, that is x square plus xy plus y square, we will get here 2x square plus 3xy. So then what we have to do, just we have to subtract the adding number from the obtained number. Okay, so from 2x square plus 3xy, we have to subtract x square plus xy plus y square. So here make the subtraction from the obtained number, so that will be 2x square plus 3xy, minus into x square, it will be minus x square, minus into plus minus xy, minus into plus minus y square. Okay, so 2x square x square, here we will get x square, and 3xy minus xy, here we will get plus 2xy. So if there is no number means here it will be 1, 3 minus 1 it will be 2, and xy is xy. So next y square left. Okay, so we have to add x square plus 2xy minus y square to the given number, that is x square plus 3x plus y square, to obtain 2x square plus 3xy. Okay, so this is the required term. So you try the second one. What should be subtracted from 2a plus 8b plus 10 to get minus 3a plus 7b plus 16? So here what you have to do? So just you have to subtract the obtained number from the given number. Okay, earlier what we did? We subtracted from the obtained number to given number. Okay, so in reverse order you do, and cross check with the PDF which I given at the description box. Same in the fifth question also. What should be taken away from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 to obtain minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20? Okay, what should be taken away from this one to get the term? Okay, so for this what you have to do? Just in reverse order you do that one. Subtract minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20 from the given term, then you will get what you have to taken away. Okay, so write that one. So write in the form of subtraction 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 minus of, so keep in bracket because here 4 terms are there with the negative sign. Okay, so simplify the bracket, 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20, minus into minus x square, it will be plus x square, minus into minus plus y square, minus into plus minus 6xy, minus into plus minus 20. So now write the like terms. 3x square is there here, plus x square is there, again minus 4y square plus y square plus 5xy minus 6xy plus 20 minus 20. Okay, so 3x square plus x square, it will be 4x square, minus 4y square plus y square, so opposite you do the subtraction, keep the bigger side, that will be minus 3y square. Here again plus minus, what you have to do? Subtract 6 minus 5 1, that will be xy. Okay, which xy? Minus, bigger sign is minus, and here 20 minus 20, it will be get 0. So our final answer will be 4x square minus 3y square minus 3xy. Okay, sorry, here only xy. 4x square minus 3y square minus xy. This is our final answer. The sixth problem, here two are there. Out of two I'll do first one and second one for practice. From the sum of 3x minus y plus 11 and minus y minus 11, subtract 3x minus y minus 11. So first you add these two. Okay, afterwards subtract it. Okay, directly I written. So you can do first addition, afterwards subtraction. Okay, so open that bracket, 3xy minus y plus 11, plus into minus minus y, plus into minus minus 11. Okay, minus, so minus into 3x minus 3x, minus into minus y, it will be plus y, minus into minus plus 11. Okay, so now write the like terms one side, 3x minus 3x get cancelled, and minus y plus y. Okay, in this 1y minus 1y plus will get cancelled. Okay, what left? Minus y. And here 11 minus 11. Okay, those also get cancelled. What left? Plus 11 minus y. So here we will get the answer 11 minus y. Okay, write the positive number first, afterwards negative number. Okay, so our final answer will be 11 minus y.